guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akanksha and I do fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Today's video is in collaboration with a brand named Prolixer, and they actually reached out to me and they sent me their product, which is a face mask. And I love skincare. If you have seen my videos from the beginning, you know how much I am into taking care of my skin and very particular about it. They sent me this product recently and I wanted to try this product out and then make a video out of it, and I spoke to them, to the brand, and they were really nice enough to say it's completely fine with them, because definitely I don't want to share with you guys anything about a product which I have not tried myself, and I'm going to be very honest about it. I tried this product for 3 days before making this video, and I'm going to share my experience with this product with you guys on this video today. I have also made a demo video of how to apply this product and how is the effect, so everything is already recorded, which I'll show you in the end of the video. So please stay tuned and watch this video till the end. And now let's get started with the product and the review. So they sent me this package, which is Prolixer, and the packaging was really nice. I was really impressed there. I'm going to talk about what is inside the package. So it's Prolixer Perfect Skin Detoxifying C. algae mask, and the things that are written on the top of this pack is deeply hydrate, which I really like about a product, a face mask especially. Then detoxify and brighten, which is really very important for your skin. The third thing is protect against pollution, again very important point. And then tighten pores and boost radiance. So when you open this pack, you find this brush for the application, and this is really nice because applying masks can be really messy at times with your hands. Sometimes your hands are not hygienic and stuff like that, and you don't want to get dirty. So that's what a brush is for. Good thing that they give the brush with the packs. And then they have this beautiful bottle. Really like the bottle, and it's made of glass, and the top lid is like a mirror. It's really nice. And when you open it, it has another lid. First thing that I check about a mask is the smell of it. So it really smells very nice, and this is how it looks. It's a clay mask. The color is perfect, the smell is perfect, the texture is perfect as well. Talking about the ingredients and what all the things are inside this beautiful mask. So the first thing that I like about it is the C. algae. So basically algae is having a lot of minerals and a lot of nutrients, and it actually hydrates your skin and detoxifies it and cleans it. And because of the algae, your pores also get tightened and you don't get a lot of dust inside. That's why it protects you from the pollution. So that's the benefit of C. algae mask. It has a lot of ingredients. I'm going to put everything in the description box, the ingredients of it and the benefits, and a detailed review on this in the description as well. So the 3 ingredients that are my personal favorite in this product. The first is vitamin C, which is highly recommended for your skin because it is the main ingredient that actually keeps your skin put together, and it brightens your skin. All the dark patches if you have on your skin actually gets rid if you use vitamin C, or if it is in a mask, then nothing like it. Then the second is tea tree oil, which is also the highly recommended ingredient in any mask. So basically tea tree oil is used to get rid of any kind of rashes, irritation or itchiness. So that's why tea tree oil is recommended, and it is having tea tree oil, this particular mask. So that's the best thing about it. Then activated charcoal, which actually helps to clean your skin and detoxify again, and it takes out all the impurities that you might have on your skin. So highly recommended. Also, another thing about this product is it contains no paraben, and it is not tested on animals. So hashtag cruelty free. That are the things that I personally liked about it. Now talking about pricing. So basically it's written in the box. The price of this is 1,490 rupees, which is not pricey seeing the contents and the benefits of this product. So highly recommended for your skincare routine kit. You can use this thrice or like 4 times in a week for perfect looking skin. After the pricing, you must want to know like where to find this product, and it's quite a popular product these days. So you can find this product on the Prolixer site, which is linked in the description box. You can also follow them on facebook.com Prolixer, and on Twitter Prolixer official, and on Instagram @Prolixer. With this product, I also received this booklet which actually says a lot about the product and all the benefits. Now I'm going to talk about when I used it, what was my experience. So the texture of this mask is beautiful. When I applied this on my face, it gives a cooling effect. You have to keep it for 10 minutes straight, then it gets dry. You can actually remove it using a towel cloth, put it in lukewarm water, and then try to remove. You can also use tap water and just remove the mask. Now I'm going to talk about after effects. So when I removed this, immediately the first thing that I noticed was my skin was really soft. It was like baby soft. My skin is right now bare. I don't have foundation, I don't have any BB cream or any moisturizer. So see the glow, and it actually is soft. It brightens up immediately. You can skip your parlor and you can definitely use this before going to any occasion, because it will immediately give you glow on your skin. Absolutely suitable for all skin types. Being a person who has sensitive skin, I highly recommend this. And I'm not recommending it only for girls, I'm recommending it for everyone, be it a boy, be it a girl. Anyone can use this product for sure, because this is beneficial for your skin, and skin is really important, you guys. So yeah, take care of your skin, and I'm really very glad to collaborate with this brand again. Thank you for sending me this beautiful product. I really love having good skincare products always, and I think this is going to be my go-to. So the last section of this video is to show you the demo. So without talking much, let's just jump into that. This was all about this product, and this was the demo that I wanted to show you. If you wanna buy this, link is in the description box. You can definitely buy it and give it a try, and share your feedback and your experience with me, and also let me know if you like this video. Anything you want to know about the product, please do let me know in the comment section, and I will help you with that. Also, if you want to reach out to me, you can always DM me on my Instagram, which is akanksha_YouTube. So do follow me there. And that's all for my video today. I hope you liked it, and if you did, do give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and do subscribe if you have not, and also hit that notification bell icon so that you know whenever I upload a video. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye.